funnel for free. Hi guys, what's going on? Tubeless here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a sales funnel for free and go and start making money from this sales funnel. So hi guys, so here's my Facebook page. You can come to my Facebook profile right now. Come connect with me and let's connect together and let's see what we can do together and all that. So guys, the platform we're going to be using to create this free sales funnel right now is called um Builder All. Builder All is what we're going to be using right now, guys. And I bet you with you're going to love Builder All because there are so many things that you can do with Builder All right now. See, Builder All right now. So guys, what I'm going to do in this right now is I'm going to drop a link below this video that you're watching right now. The link is what we're going to take you into this website that is going to allow you to register with this website. Register with this website for free. My link that is going to be, just click the link below this video. I'm going to allow you to register for free. You can start creating your funnel like that. So guys, this is so simple. When you come in right now, okay, let me take you back a little bit. Let's go back. Let's go to the home page. Let's go to the home. Let's go back to the home. So I can show you when you register on this website. I'll show you what you're gonna see, and I'll show you what next and what next and what next. Just like that is what you're gonna be seeing. So guys, sorry about the slowness of this. Is my internet, and you know everybody is staying at home right now and are quarantined together, and so almost everybody is using internet right now. So I guess that's why it's slow. So when you register, this is what you're gonna see right now. And you can ask me any question below this video right now. Ask me whatever question you need to know about this sales funnel, and I'm going to show it to you guys. The interesting thing also about this is, so you just come here, pizza party, you click enter. I click enter right now. So while we're waiting for that to load it, you can create this sales funnel. You can go and comment on, you can go and drop you can go to Facebook groups and go and post on there and say, I will create the free sales funnel for you. And when people respond to your post, and you're going to come and create this free sales funnel for them. And when you create this free sales funnel for them, you're going to, because they are going to register, if they want to use this sales funnel on this website, because they want to use it for their business, then they will need to enter a plan. They need to enter a plan like this. This is it. So this is you're going to come in as a free member. If you just want to keep creating sales funnel, you're going to come in as a free member, register for free, and the people you're going to sign in are the one that are going to either use this or this. But I advise you to when you create the sales funnel for them, let them buy the $29, because that is going to have 5 domain that they can have on it, and it's going to have 5,000 subscribers. That means they can have 5,000 subscribers right here. They don't need autoresponder, they don't need MailChimp, they don't need lead mag, they don't need any other thing. They can do everything right in this platform. They can have their email host on this platform. They can send out up to 5 emails right in this platform. So that's why and when they register with this, you earn this $29.99. You are the one that owns all this money. For the first person that you register, you earn 100% of this money right now. It was the second month that you now start earning 30% of this money. 30%, but the first month they register, you're going to own all this money 100%. So guys, let me show you the sales funnel. So you just come here right now. You see, just come here right now. Here's what we have. You see, sales funnel is right at the top. See, sales funnel, that's what we want to create. And you can see all other things that you can create on this list. You can create website and all kinds of things. You can create a local business website. But sales funnel is what we want to create here right now. So you click sales funnel right now, and that will load up. And when that load up, let me show you what I've done quickly. Look at this Facebook page, and I post on this page. I said I'm going to create a free website for 5 people, and look at people that comment to these comments. 8 people already. So if I create this free website for these 8 people, okay, plus my comment, that's there are 7 people. So if I create this website for all these people that you're seeing right now, if I'm the one to create all this website, and they come and register for this, let's even say maybe 5 of them register with this, that's about $20. $20 times 5, that's 100. That's $100 for my first month, and every other month I'll keep making 20. I'll keep making $30 from these people, and if they go for this, which is $30, that's about $150 for the first month, and every other month I'll keep making $30 from their recurring income as they stay, as long as they remain on this platform because of their sales funnel. So guys, this is the sales funnel. This is all the sales funnel that we have on this place. Depend on how complicated or how hard you want your sales funnel to be. These are sales funnel that have videos. These are video sales funnel. These are simple sales funnel. Guys, these funnels are so simple. Look, I just click this right now. I want to view it right now. So let's view it right now. This funnel are just simple that you can just use this to get into a business for free, build it for a business owner for free, and with that you can get yourself into the business industry, and with that you can begin to do all other things for them, designing, maybe design a logo for them, help them to run Facebook ads. These are all the things that you can do here. So guys, let's click this one also. Let's see different kind of funnel that you can do right now. So these are the funnel that they have here right now. So that this is so simple. Just go to Facebook right now, start posting. So that you put their logo here. It's so simple. Just click this place, and you import their logo. Change their email. Just click the image that is here. Put the company image right now. Or if it's ebook, if you want to use this to give out free ebook, click here and put the ebook cover there right now. And here, just click on this ones and just change all the text. Guys, it's so simple. Just change all this text, leave this, and you connect it to. There are also training in this place. You can delete all these ones if you don't want it to be too complicated. The one I used to use, these are only thing I need. The image here and this thing is all I need. Then I delete all these ones. I take all these other ones out. I take all this testimonial and all this. I take them out of my own. I take all the things out. The only place I leave is the image here, and this place is what I need to explain why they need to subscribe into my so this is the second one also, guys. This is the second one. So here you can see this is like the simplest one. Okay, this doesn't have anything at the bottom. So this is this. So you can put a video here, or you put an image here, and you write what your this thing is all about. Yeah, this is so simple. Just delete this and copy your own. Delete this and copy your own. This is simple, guys. All you just need to do is to, instead of me clicking there, just click edit. When you click edit, it's going to take you to how you can edit all those things, edit them out, and you're good to go. So guys, that's how to create a sales funnel for free with Builder. Or they are training also in this tutorial right now. See, they are training that will show you ways that you can customize this thing. Then it's not really hard at all. If you've been using social media, you know that this is very simple to do, guys. So I'm going to drop a link below this video right now. The link is going to tell you, it's going to take you to where you can register on this website. And you see my Facebook here right now. You can come and sign up with me and ask me any question whatsoever. Come and ask me, and I will answer your question. You can see I have 8 people already that said they want free website, and I'm going to create this free website for these 8 people right now, and I bet you they are going to love it. And when I show them, send them, all you just need to do is to send them this link right now. Send them this link that this is the landing sales funnel that you're going to help them build. And when you show them, you also send them this link here right now, the plan, and tell them to sign up for $29 per month, so that they can have 5,000 email, 5,000 subscribers in their list in this same thing. And if they also want to do bigger, 15,000, that's 49. And if they want to go for their unlimited, that's 69. So guys, that is it for this sales funnel. So this is how to edit. It's still loading right now. So when this finish loading, then we can start editing this page right now, guys. It's so simple that even even the man who is going to see this comment that is not going to like it, everybody is going to love this page right now, guys.